Welcome to the most important video of your year or next year's right now if you are a science student, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, whatever. Now, in this age of AI, this is the age of AI, right? In this age of AI, it is a crime not to use AI in our advantage to study better, to learn better, and to test ourselves better to score 95% in your any of the classes, especially if you are just starting out, right? If you are in 9th, in 10th, you have just become a senior and the process of studying, even the books are completely changed. Now the books are changed. There may be not all the videos uploaded on the YouTube or even your teachers, or you may not like the videos of some teachers and you want something else, right? You want to ask doubts, you want to clear your doubts that you might not and you're too fearful to ask in the class, right? For that, today I have got you a very important AI website. Now, just one, yes, not 5 best AI tools, not 10 best AI tools, not just one AI tool that you can use to ace your class 9th, class 10th, and not just science, literally any subject. AI will not eat our jobs. You might have seen there are layoffs and all. AI won't eat our jobs, kids. If we don't know how to use AI in our advantage, that will. So today's AI is turbo.ai. Can you see turbo.ai? Just search in any of your web browser and you will land on this page. Right now, just click on the sign in part. Let's go to, I've actually already signed in. So you'll get a sign in part. You can sign in with Google, or you can put all your details, right? You all know how to sign in on websites, and it will ask you certain questions. Are you a school student, undergrad student, a teacher, or a professional, or anything? Then you'll continue and you'll go to this dashboard. Now my video might not be visible properly, but the thing we have to see, you can either start with a blank document, you can either record or upload your own video, and you can either upload a document. Now that's fine. A lot of AIs works with that. But one very interesting thing is this YouTube link, the website link, the YouTube link, the YouTube video link. You can directly copy that link and paste it here. See, so I have this video of mine, okay? Let's say this is the video describing motion around us. I'll just click on 3 dots, share, and I'll copy the link. Okay, I'll go back onto the website. You click on here. You can create note from a video. Let's just paste the link here. Nothing you have to do, just paste the link here, generate notes. Now you just have to wait a little bit of time, because obviously it's a long video. The notes can take a little bit of time, but you can see how fast this is. Like scanning that video and making notes for you. Now it's just not notes, but stay with me a little bit of time. You can make mind maps, you can make flashcards. Flashcards, flashcards, like in MBBS students use flashcards a lot. Okay, so you'll get written somewhere what is a cell. There's a proper definition, and not just cell. Okay, there is cell, and you will get a flashcard and they'll ask you cell. You click on it, it turns, and there is an answer. You can question it. You can question if the answer is true or not. If you have any other query, you can question this AI, and that doesn't always matter that the question should be in the video or not. It's an AI. It will scan the video. It will know everything, every detail there is to think about the cell in your life. Now, just wait a little bit of time, because see, the AI that we are using these days, of course, we are using ChatGPT, Gemini, we are using Claude these days. All these are good, but you get a theoretical example from that, right? From here, it's more of a visual appeal, and from that you can see how, okay, the PDF is generated, the notes are generated. Let's go look into it. Now I was telling it was just a theoretical. Now let's see what are the features this AI has. Okay, so literally this is a brief overview. The note cover motion and was created from describing motion as class 9th chapter, easy concept, whatever. Okay, it condenses 93 minutes of instruction into clear, organized points, making it easier to review before exams and even for revision before your class tests. right? Now, key points: definition of rest and motion. Obviously, 4 main types of motion. Distinguish uniform versus non-uniform motion. See, it like literally it scanned the whole video and gave you notes. How good is that? The introduction to motion. Motion is all around us, from cars and trains to earth itself moving around the sun. Understanding motion helps explain every day. Then rest and motion. Then you have the proper definitions of rest and motion. And now one more important thing is that you can be scared, ma'am, these sources are right or not, right? Those are the main issues with AI we are facing right now. It gives wrong sources, it gives content that is wrong, but this does not, because scanning my YouTube video. So if you trust me, which you should, you can go watch the video, then you trust this AI, right? So rest, when the position of an object does not change with respect to time, and a stationary object. Exact definition that I have in my video, so you don't have to sit, go through the video, make notes. You already have the notes. And if you are doing it in your laptop, you just copy it, maybe get it even printed, right? Now, state, position change, example, it gives you, see, that's what I'm talking about. It just not gives you theory, it gives you a table, it gives you proper visual infrastructure to learn, right? Then key insights with respect to the importance of with respect to, even that is given. So the definition of motion must include with respect to stationary objects and time, because I just said this thing. If you see, there is nothing written in the PPT. I spoke this thing that with respect to is very important, and it copied it, right? So you'll get even the small information that is not written in the PPT or the PDF as well, right? With respect to room, with respect to sun. Now moving on to types of motion, we have straight line, circular, rotational, vibration. It's for all the people, okay? For 10th class, this is specifically 9th class chapter, but you can use it for 11th, 12th, graduation as well, okay? Then it talks about relative motion. It gives a proper table, key principle. Uniform motion again gives a table, graph of uniform motion, non-uniform motion. See, it gives the graph as well with it. See, it gives the graph as well. See, it gives the graph as well. It's not the proper graph, but you can see what it means, right? So these all are also scalar and vector quantities. The proper table is there. Then distance and displacement. Now I have used a table, so it uses a table properly. And then a numerical, your father's journey versus your journey. This is the story I told in the YouTube video, right? So you get all these things. Speed, velocity, key concepts are there, acceleration, and then you get all these things while studying how velocity is changing, how acceleration is changing, retardation, graphical representation of motion. You get literally everything. Now, of course, there is a chance you can upgrade to premium as well. Now, this is the important part. You get quizzes, you get flashcards. Let's look at the flashcards first. So, you click on flashcards and they'll ask you to generate 10, 20, 30 or 50 deep dive, right? So, right now you are in a phase in a preparation, you can go for 50. Let's just do 10 quick review, okay? Now, you ask it to generate flashcards. What can I do? So look at this. The AI is not just, you don't need 5 different AIs to test your knowledge, to make flashcards, to make mind maps, to make notes. No, some doesn't take a YouTube video link. You have to download the PDF first and then go there. No, just click on this, put the YouTube video link there, and you have your flashcards, my friend. You literally have the flashcard, what is displacement, direction, and how do you test yourself, you might ask, right? So go at the last, and there was one option I saw. Yes. So there is an option, start studying. If you click this, it will get a flashcard. So it asks you displacement. It asks you displacement, and you can create, okay, I know. Okay, that's great. If you don't know, just click here and it turns into, and the answer is there. Maybe you don't know, right? And then you can ask about all the stuffs about displacement as well. When it is negative, when it is true, ask about this flashcard. Okay, ask about these flashcards, and you have all the flashcards here. You can use them as well. Okay, that is what the beauty of AI is, beta. AI is not here to eat away all your jobs, to do your work. No, it is there to make your work look easy. I'm just changing the background so that I look okay. Okay, it is there to make your work easy, to make you learn easily. So this is the AI turbo.ai. you can go and use them as well. Now also we had another option, right? We had the option of quizzes. See, there is a quiz here, so you can go and open this quiz as well. A stone tied to a 1.5 meter string rotates clockwise in a horizontal direction at constant speed. When it is released exactly at the topmost point of the circle, the stone will initially move. Where should it move? Where should it move? So all these questions I have answered in that video as well, okay? And maybe you can show the hint as well, so you can get and ask AI for help. Man, this is crazy. I'm blown away, all these features. So you can go check this out. I'll write the name. The name of the AI is, beta, 1 second. The name of the AI is turbo.ai. It is turbo.ai. It is hands down the best AI tool that I use personally. If I have any doubts, I just upload the document there. I can ask the questions. I upload a video of mine, audio of me speaking that AI, what is the use of displacement when distance is already there? So it gives you the exact answers from that video, and it relates to another facts in the whole world as well, because it's an AI. Okay, that is it for this video. I hope you use this in your class 9, 10th, clear your doubts. If you are a little bit of shy person like me, I sometimes used to skip doubts in the class that it might feel silly, but you can definitely use this if that's the case. Okay, that's it for this video. I'll meet you in the next one. Tada, bye bye.